Hey guys, how's it going? Solo back with yet another daily video. And if you are in the cryptocurrency craze right now, it was a crazy day. Actually, it still is a crazy day because crypto trades 24/7, 365. We're going to talk about Bitcoin. We'll talk about Dogecoin. We'll talk about Ethereum. We'll talk about the cryptocurrency craziness that's going on right now. And if you don't have a platform that can actually trade any of the crypto, you can still get in on some of the fun by trading stocks that I've talked about in the past. Riot, in terms of Riot blockchain, ticker symbol RIOT, and also Marathon Patent Group, which I've also covered recently, ticker symbol MARA. So we'll take a look at both of those stocks as well towards the end of the video, do some updated technical analysis. But right now, this weekend, I think people are just getting bored because the stock market has been closed. It's a long holiday weekend. And like I said, crypto, if you're trading on a platform like Robinhood, trades 24/7, 365. You can be trading at 2 a.m. in the morning if you want. And I know my Discord server was going absolutely bananas today. So just some quick announcements before we get going. I did add some free channels to the Discord server. So the link is in the description below if you want to join up. I am going to shut this down for a little bit because I don't want the Discord server to get so full that the chat moves so quickly you can't even read what people are saying. So get in while it's still open. And then lastly, I'm almost done with my first video in my options tutorial series that I'm going to be putting out. I'm hoping to release that video sometime next week. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so you know when those videos are released. They're not going to be released on a regular schedule. I'm going to have to make them in some of my spare time as I go. So they're just going to come out somewhat randomly, but I am going to keep on top of that. And I'm going to start from the very beginning. So I'm going to assume that you're a complete newbie, beginner trader, and then we'll work our way up to the more advanced options trading strategies. And I'll explain everything along the way. So let's get right into it. Let's hop into the video. Take a look at Bitcoin right now. You can see it's currently trading as I'm making this video. I'm going to show you a news article right off the bat. And this just came out on CNBC right here. So here's the big news of the day. You can see right here on CNBC, it says Bitcoin rallies above $30,000 for the first time ever after advancing over 300%. It's interesting to say that 2020 was last year. I'm going to have to get used to that. But take a look at this article. Today, Bitcoin was as high as $33,099. This morning when I woke up, Bitcoin was still in the 29,000 range. So it was up $3,000 alone today. It sold off a little bit, but take a look at this. Just 2 weeks ago, Bitcoin was $20,000. So it has more than 50% increased in 2 weeks. If we scroll through this article, it seems that, or at least they're suggesting, that now all the big institutions are kind of FOMOing into Bitcoin. And I will also say, Elon Musk put out it wasn't a Bitcoin meme, it was a Dogecoin meme. And Dogecoin has just been going nuts as well. You know, some of the people in my Discord server, they had a good thought because Elon tweeted that meme out a few days ago. But really, Dogecoin has taken off pretty much today. And someone brought up a good point that it's probably because everyone got their stimulus money, within the past 24 hours. So maybe people are spending their stimmy money on crypto stocks, or not stocks, I should say, but crypto plays in terms of Bitcoin and probably Dogecoin, because Dogecoin is trading for essentially pennies. So with $600 or even a fraction of your stimmy bill, not that I'm recommending this, but you could get a lot of Dogecoin if that was your play. I mean, take a look at this article. There's this one guy, says Sergey Nazarov, co-founder of Chainlink. He thinks Bitcoin will eventually pass $100,000 per coin. So like I said, right now, it's trading in the $30,000 range. So he thinks Bitcoin is going to more than triple. He doesn't say by when, but take a look at this. Ethereum, which is the second biggest coin, gained 465% in 2020 and was up almost 7% today as of the writing of this article. I mean, if you were a part of the crypto craze back a few years ago, it seems like that all over again. It's all over the news. It's all over Discord, Reddit, you name it. People are going nuts over cryptocurrency right now. I don't know. I don't have any plays on it right now. I kind of also don't want to FOMO into it. But where's the top? Because maybe even if I get in now, there might still be some money left to make. But let's take a look at Bitcoin on Robinhood. This is just the daily graph. You can see at about 7 a.m., Bitcoin was trading just shy of $30,000. And then by 3 p.m., it was trading for over $33,300. We've sold off actually quite significantly. At about 4 p.m., it was only trading for a little over $30,000 again. We rallied back, and as I'm making this video, you can see it's currently trading for a little over $32,000. I mean, the other coins, like I said, let's look at Ethereum. Every cryptocurrency has been on a tear recently. Look, Ethereum is up over 6% on the day, similar to Bitcoin. Look, right at 7 a.m., it just took off to the moon, and it peaked again right around 3 p.m. at around $790, sold off, then rallied back. This chart looks very similar to Bitcoin, so it seems like they're trading together. And as you can see, Ethereum is much less expensive right now compared to Bitcoin. Let's take a look at the meme coin that is known as Dogecoin. Like I said, Elon Musk has tweeted this out officially. If you haven't seen it yet, go check out his Twitter page. He put out a pretty raunchy meme on Dogecoin. But like I said, take a look at Dogecoin. It's now trading for a little over 1 cent. So you can buy a lot of Dogecoin with honestly just a few bucks if that was your game. But same thing, right around 2 p.m., Dogecoin peaked, sold off, and then is rallying back. So I don't know. I don't know what the play is. Let me know in the comments below if you are or if you have traded crypto and what crypto coin you're in. Let me know how many coins you owned, and are you setting a stop loss? What are we doing here? Is it to the moon? I mean, let me know. Join our Discord server. Talk it up with those people in there because, like I said, our Discord is going nuts right now over crypto. Let's take a look at TradingView, and let's take a look at Riot and Mara to see if we can do some updated technical analysis to close out the video here. So here was my prediction on Riot. I made this video on December 30th. You can see the following day, we had a little bit of a red day, but not that much. I mean, we pretty much sold off to right where we opened the day before December 30th. It's really nothing to worry about. I drew this trend line because it looks like everything is on the up and up right now for Riot blockchain. And I'm going to stick by my hypothesis because with this cryptocurrency surge, I fully expect when the market opens on Monday that Riot blockchain and Marathon Patent Group are just going to go nuts because that would just be logical. So I don't know. I mean, maybe cash good puts is the play if you want to kind of play it safe on Riot and try and run the wheel strategy. Maybe you should just flat out buy calls. I don't know what the play is here. Maybe you should just buy shares flat out, then sell covered calls on it. There's so many ways you can play this depending on how risk averse or how aggressive you want to be. Let's take a look at Mara. And it's a similar story, although with Mara, we've had a bunch of red days in a row. We have 6 red days all in a row, which may be a blessing in disguise because maybe, again, I'm fully expecting Mara to open up and just go big green on Monday morning. So maybe you can get in cheap. I mean, the fear, though, is I doubt Mara is going to open up right where it closed. It closed on December 31st at $10.44. I'm fully expecting Mara to open up at least over $11. It's probably going to gap up at open in pre-market trading. But again, my prediction for Mara is also just going to be up and to the right. This stock has also been up and up, just like Riot Blockchain. And Mara is trading for about $10.44 as of the last trading day. Riot is trading for a little bit more at $17, so a little bit more expensive, but both stocks relatively affordable depending on your portfolio size. But really, that's all I've got to say on cryptocurrency. It's just been absolutely nuts. My prediction, and again, this is not financial advice, is that it's just going to go up and to the right all week next week. The thought is a part of this kind of surge in crypto is to hedge against inflation, because usually when that happens, people move away from stocks and put their money in commodities like gold and silver. Well, gold, silver, and now it's crypto. And I think a lot of the kind of rage is from the younger generation, the millennials and the Zoomers and things, because you can do this on your phone, you can do this on Robinhood. The boomers don't really understand what cryptocurrency is. So I don't know. Let me know if you think crypto is kind of the new commodity of the future. Out of gold, crypto, or silver, which would you prefer? Or should you kind of evenly distribute your money into all three to kind of diversify? I don't know what the right answer is. Let me know what your opinions are, but I'm curious to hear your thoughts. As always, I hope you're having a happy holiday weekend, and let's have another green year in 2021. Happy trading, guys and gals.